Good morning from the captain's chair and welcome to week 5 of the van build. This week I am wiring John Claude up. Let's get going.
Good morning, everybody. We're here today. My partner Brian. Say hi, Brian. What's up?
Hello.
Hello. We're wiring the lights today. That's why I brought Brian in for the help. Trying to wire to the Goal Zero Yeti. What are we gonna do?
Run wire, staple it.
Run wire, staple it for the lights, the fridge, all that nonsense. Try to figure out the fusing. Hook it up to the alternator and get these solar panels working. So, John Claude needs some power.
All right.
All right. Time lapse. Bye. A bunch of progress happening right now. I got the subwalls up and a fresh coat of primer on it. The van looks a little less creepy when it's painted. I have my lights wired up. I'm gonna have 2 rows of 12 lights, LEDs on a dimmer switch. It's gonna look good. Got my house cubby battery all wired up. So I got lines coming in from the alternator, and I got lines coming in from my solar panels up on the roof. They plug into the Yeti, super easy to connect. You know, I was a little nervous about the electrical system, doing a DIY thing, but the Yeti makes it super easy. I need to get the roof up. That's really the last wall that needs to be done, and then I can start framing out furniture, build my galley, build a little couch, and hit the road someday. I gotta get this ceiling up. It's gonna make me feel way better. Ceiling, shiplap, another coat of paint, frame up some furniture. It's almost done. It's almost done, really. Maybe a week or 2. I don't know.
Big thanks to Brian for the help this week. Thanks, bud. We got those wires run, got the house battery all installed, and hooked up to the solar and alternator. I'm feeling good. Got power in the van. Can't wait till next week. I'm moving on to start framing out the furniture. Thank you for watching this week. Be sure to check out the previous build videos, and if you haven't yet, hit subscribe. I'm Joey Tuna, and until next week, signing off.